All right, gang, as you can see, we got the duct tape on the tire. It's time to enter Tokyo Drift mode. Let's go!
I get racks, Louis backpack on my back. I put the city on my back.
Yo, gang, what is up? It's your boy Laz, aka MotoBroo, and as you see behind me, we got my electric dirt bike / Suron. We got the duct tape right here. So we're about to turn this bike into a drift bike, Tokyo Drift style. Y'all know the vibes. Let's get it. Alrighty, let's start freaking covering this rear tire in some duct tape. I've done this once. I've done this 2 or 3 times already, but on dirt bikes. So I'm sort of excited to see what the electric dirt bike will do because it's way lighter. So I feel like it's really gonna be drifting. Alright, we pretty much used all the tape on this roll. There's a little bit left, but I'm gonna save it just in case I need some extra bit. But let me show you this wheel. Yo, look at this thing, bro. We really in drift mode right now. Oh my gosh, I'm excited to see what this thing rips like. I wonder in the grass, bro. In the grass, this thing is gonna be just sliding, bro. Yo, dude, this is gonna be flipping crazy, bro. This bike is way lighter than the dirt bike, so I feel like this thing is just gonna slide and slide and slide, bro. This is gonna be ridiculous. Let's put on the flipping helmet, hop on this thing and shred. All right, gang, as you can see, we got the duct tape on the tire. It's time to enter Tokyo Drift mode. Let's go. Get the donut going. Oh! Yo! I'm about to go.
Yeah, let's go. That was perfect.
Yo, we were actually hitting donuts on this thing. All right, let's see if I can pull out a little wheel ski. Easy, bro. I thought it was gonna be way more slippery. Yes, sir. Bro, I thought it was gonna be.
That Suron's getting it.
Yeah, I thought it was gonna be way more slippery, but like low-key, I'm getting a lot of traction. I'm surprised. Like, look, I can just pull up a wheelie. Hey, show him how the duct tape tire is doing real quick.
I got you. Oh,
yeah,
starting to rip.
Bro, that's only like a few donuts and it's already ripping through that.
I think it's this Florida heat, bro. It's just,
the Florida heat, dog.
It just melts that duct tape.
Yo, it literally feels like it's 1,000 degrees out here. Like, I'm wearing this full face, I am dying.
Yeah, we got the angles. Little donut.
All right, I'm gonna try to hit a little donut going around Jesse. Hopefully I don't hit him, bro. Stand right there.
Tokyo Drift, bro.
Hey, real. Tokyo Drift style, action, 3, 2, 1.
Let's go.
A little one.
Hey, bro, that works.
Oh! Damn, I can't even pick it up in the grass, dude.
Yeah, that bitch spinning. It's all the f***ing dust on it. Look at that.
Oh my god, dust in my mouth too. Yeah, bro, that tire is looking. What is that?
It's just like.
It's like mud, but not mud, right?
I think.
It's just so hot.
Just melted on
melted
there.
The freaking mud. Yeah.
Let's fucking go.
That's crazy. Let's keep on freaking.
Let's keep on rolling. Oh, no way.
We'll do one more.
I was not recording, guys.
Oh, we wasn't recording that one, so we're trying to get one more. But I got all my head helmet. All right, let's hit a little burnout, you know. It's almost gone now, brother, but we're going to burn the rubber.
Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Hey, we outside, boy. Let's get a little donut. Oh, I gotta go the other way.
Oh yeah, you gotta fucking.
Shit, this shit hard to go this way.
I don't know how people do it. Yo, I got you, really.
Yo, I don't know about these duct tape wheels, bro. Ah, dude, I hit my shin too. Oh my gosh, bro.
The Suron.
Damn, Suron!
Holy shit.
So, if y'all are wondering, like, yo, do I want to freaking go Tokyo Drift on my dirt bike, my electric dirt bike? The question is, why wouldn't you, bro? Why would you don't want to freaking hit some donuts like that and save your tire, bro? I didn't mess up any of my tire. I was just burning duct tape.
Oh, I definitely hit the shin right there.
Yeah, we got a shinner, bro.
Oh, shinner, you know.
But hey, you know, that's that duct tape drift life, you feel me? Jesse said there was like a freaking sick ass jump over here, and he said he could freaking double whip it on his BMX, so. Hey, hit a bar spin, the rolling bar spin. Yeah, let's go. Floss out for him real quick. Floss out for him. Hit a little 360 or something. Oh, okay. Sponsor the homie, bro. Yo, 2 bar spin, hot bar? Nah, that would be a vibe. Can you do that or no? That would be sick. It's so hot, dude. Woo. And yeah, bro, I haven't even been on the e-bike in a minute, so I'm a little rough. I need to put street tires on her. Brr. It's literally not doing anything, right?
It's almost there.
Bro, just look at the duct tape tire, dude. It's just hanging out. You almost had a rolling burnout, dude. That's sick. Hey, hit the jump. Let's see if he got it. Yes, sir. Half of it's almost gone now. It's just on the right side, dude. It doesn't have a lot of power left. Was it on 3 bar? Bro, that's the only thing I hate about these Surons. Like, I know I didn't charge it fully, but like, I had 4 bars. We're out here for 10 minutes. It's already almost down to 2. Like, it's on the last part of the 3rd bar. That's why I'm always iffy about these electric bikes, because I just love the gas where you can just keep filling it and keep on shredding.